Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
To reinstall Windows without a recovery disk, you can use the Windows Media Creation tool. First, visit the official Microsoft website to download the tool onto a USB drive with at least 8 GB of space. Launch the Media Creation tool and select Create Installation Media for another PC. Follow the prompts to create bootable media. Next, insert the USB drive into the PC you wish to reinstall Windows on, boot from the USB, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the Windows installation process. Remember to back up your data first, as this process will erase all existing data.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.